Hello everybody, welcome to Graphic Design and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a couple days ago. Broken glasses and kind of graphic image I want to make from this image. And also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, as always. Now I got this broken glasses and I kinda one light LED lighting. I showed the shooting setup the other day. I made some image by Fresco last time. This time I want to use Procreate to make something interesting image with this too. Well, let me see. Change blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. Then let's see something interesting image maybe we can find. Okay. Linear burn. This broken edge is not reflecting light, so goes darker. It's impressive too. Okay, now I want to see luminosity. Look at this shadow colors. Blue from background and this real nice shadow colors around here. Well, I want to fix this image, but let's see. I'm going to duplicate this base image, then bring this one up, then turn it off right now, and I'm going to select, I'm going to select two of them to fix this image first. Make group, then duplicate this group. Now I'm going to flatten this image. Alright, now I'm gonna change, let me see, turn on this base original image. Well, I'm gonna change names. Original image, turn on. Then change blend mode to, well, I just wanna darken this luminosity effect layer image. So I'm going to change this color image to, let's see, I'm going to change adjustments, hue saturation to take all the colors down. Now it's black and white. Blend mode back to normal, it's black and white. Now from here I'm going to change to like color burn. The luminosity effect image is gonna be darker. It's pretty nice, kind of illustration type image. Not much, but let's see, pin light. Before change to black and white. Color burn's kind of interesting too. This grains look like when you compare to original image. This is original image, but when you see light image like illustration type image, well, I can fix this as a illustration. Nice tone colors. Well, one of the variation of this image, pretty interesting. Yeah, easy way to fix. Just change to luminosity effect layer, darken. Okay, now make group again, then duplicate this layer, the group, then flatten this image. Now this is the one image. Darken luminosity effect layer. Okay, now let's see, this is alright too. Just leave it this way, because I may add, let me see, bring this black and white image back to normal. Then I'm gonna add one more layer. Then change blend mode to color. Now let's play around with color. Then I'm gonna add color on this black and white image with no texture on the brush. Just airbrushing to medium blend. Yeah, let's see. Let me see. Now what color do you think? These are alright. It's so small. I wanna paint overall image first. Let's see. Some kind of blues alright. We saw that already. Now I wanna see something kind of sunset, maybe some kind of dramatic color. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna change brush soft blend to maybe medium hard. Okay, and I want to add some yellowish. Okay, I'm gonna use smudge tool. Same soft blend. Yeah, shadow yellows. Okay, I guess that's enough. I don't want to add no more colors, but I want to add some colors in here. These bees. Okay, very nice, soft touch. Let me see, this is just color I add, this layer. I want to soften up here. Smudge tool. Then let's see, I want to see this luminosity back layer. Then change blend mode to kind of interesting, isn't it? Divide. So much different expression. Wow. Look at this shadow colors. That's beautiful. Soft colors. Soft image. This is divide. So much interesting colors, huh? Warm tone. I just want to fix this image. Just straight image. Pin light. This is pretty nice too. Pin light effect. Now it's original color base over I just add colors. That's really nice colors. Now this is pin light effect. Well, kind of smooth image is nice too. So many variations. Okay, let's see. I just want to fix this as one image. I saved already. So now I want to change this pin light effect. Okay, I want a little bit more thick colors. So if I move this original black and white image, this is original black and white, isn't it? I gotta change name. To darken this color image, I can just duplicate. Let me see. Let me duplicate this layer. Then change this to multiply. No, doesn't go darker. Screen. Ooh. Hey, what's this? This is interesting too. Add. Well, double the colors, huh? This is the same thing, two of them. Well, how about if I move this luminosity effect layer? This is pin light now. Change blend mode back to normal. Then move down to under this colors layer. Not much effect now. Darken colors. How about now? Color. Color is nicer. Soft image. Yeah. In this case, that's okay, but well, as an illustration, this grains texture is just a little bit this way, and let's see. Yeah, just keep this image again as one of the variation of the image. Yeah. Yup. Alright, I saved two images. Now this image. Okay. Now I'm gonna bring this original black and white image. Move this one, go all the way top. Then change blend mode. Color burn. Color goes dark. Or let me see. Luminosity. Kind of shadow image. Colors. That's pretty nice. Pretty interesting. 70%. I kind of like this kind of color too. Well, that's so interesting. Adding color changes so much shadow, different image, expressions. Well, I can't decide which one is the best. Well, I saved this image again, insert a photo, 4 of them. Okay, one is original. Okay, we got the 3 different images in original image. Okay, select 4 of them. Then I don't have to make group. Just select 4 of them. Then let's see. Uniform. Okay, done. Then move. This one is well, first original, second soft image was it? This one was, then third and fourth, I think. Well, they are all kinda nice. Soft image. Well, changing that blend mode to get so much different image expressions. So much interesting. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. Some kind of graphic image. That's pretty interesting and so beautiful. Different colors. Well, thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Wow. Which one is the best? That's cool. Alright.